Hi everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, yes, it is, well, I was going to say it's the end of the month. Well, it's not, it's the beginning of a new month, but I was gone the last week of February, and that's when our monthly Knife Club box for February came in. So, doing a little bit of catch up, but we are going to see what monthly Knife Club sent us for February. Now, uh, these are not for everyone. I totally get that. I enjoy doing these monthly Knife Club boxes for several reasons. One, I get knives that maybe I've already reviewed. I can use them in giveaways for sure. If it's a knife I haven't reviewed, I can review it. May turn around and end up selling it because, well, I do pay for these. I pay for these boxes. They are not sent to me at all. And one of the things that I did kind of discover in the January box is pricing. Now, it does look like for the longest time, this is the, name brand. This is the ultimate box. So it's the highest level box, and it was $165 with shipping and handling. It does look like this one, the ultimate, has gone up in price to $189 a month. But it looks like I might be like grandfathered in because I had my subscription prior. So because I still only paid the $165, but if you do think about starting this one, it is as listed on their website now, $189 per month. Now I will tell you, in all the months that I've been doing this, the average value, and when I say value of the knives that they sent or the products in the box, I pay $165 plus shipping and handling comes out to about $175-ish. The average retail value, not MSRP, everyday value, no sale prices, no MSRP, just what you can go out and get for it every day, has been at least $300. So the value has always been there. Just want to kind of cover that. I know we talked about it a little bit in last month's box, that it looked like the price had gone up, and it had. But, as I said, I must be grandfathered in. So, as always, we have got our monthly Knife Club card. And this tells us what is in our box. We always start off with, ooh, interesting. We always start off with the sticker. That's pretty cool. Kind of Viking-ish sticker. We are going to go to our book here, to our card here. And this is the Abstract Viking sticker. It says it has a $4 value. They always say they give it to us for free, so we don't count it in the value because they say it is free. But I really dig. They've come up with some pretty cool stickers. So we're going to put that off to the side. Now we're probably going to zoom out just a little bit so we can get, oh, you don't want to see that. Let's do that. You don't want to see my feet. There we go. That'll be a little bit better. So, anyway, so we start with the advanced box. That is the lowest level box. You get the sticker, and you get, where's it at? Must be this guy. Yep, it's definitely this guy. This is the Rothko Jerry Can stainless flask. Now, total honesty, sometimes, whoa, that is really shiny, and you're getting a picture of everything. Cool. But yes, it's a flask, but it looks like a jerry can, gas can. Kind of cool. We don't always get, well, sometimes we get a smaller item in the box, which is okay. That's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of fun. Something different for sure. May not interest everybody, and I totally get that. I'm going to zoom back in just a little bit so you're not seeing the whole world here. Thing is very, very, very shiny, and you're getting a reflection. But anyway, that's what it is. So that is the jerry can flask. It says it has a retail value of $19.99. So that is item number one in the advanced box. The next one is a product from Zippo. We've got a Zippo windproof lighter. And looks like it's a lucky number 7 domino. And it, oh, there we go. Ah, sticker. That's what was holding it shut. Sticker on the back was holding it shut. I was like, well, it doesn't want to come over too well. Just a sticker. But A Domino, lucky number 7 Zippo lighter. Retail value $31.95. Of course, it doesn't have any fluid in it, so it's not going to light. So I do have a few Zippos up here. A tiny Zippo collection. What I got, like 7 or 8 of them over there. So I don't know. The Domino might end up in my collection, or we just might give it away. You never know. So we've got the Domino lighter from Zippo. Like I said, retail value on that one, $31.95. So this is still in our advanced plan. We got one more item in the advanced plan. And this is a knife that I am pretty sure, yeah, we have seen it on the channel before. It's all plasticed up. So you're going to have to look at the, there we go. You're going to have to look at the Domino for a minute. But it's another knife from Trivisa. We have seen a couple of Trivisa knives come out of these boxes. But, ooh, cool sticker. They got some pretty cool stickers. Of course, you got your care and use, all that good stuff. You do get a cleaning cloth. And, wow, okay. I was not expecting that. We've definitely seen this knife on the channel before. But, the lanyard that's on it, okay. Interesting. An interesting choice for paracord. Not really, doesn't really go with the knife at all. That would probably, no, it would not probably, that would definitely get changed out. Because I would put black or gray or something on it. But this is the Trivisa Hydra folding knife. Now, it is a front flipper, and you've got kind of resembles, it's a button lock too, but it kind of resembles a friction folder front flipper. You can front flip it. Now, the one thing I am not crazy, I used to not like front flippers because, unfortunately, they were kind of like this. I am not a fan of the unicorn horn front flippers. Now, I totally get it. It is to mock, you know, the traditional friction folder. Okay, right on. And if you slow roll it, the issue I have a lot of times is they hit my finger. When I'm trying to front flip them, with my hand size and everything, I have to get a certain height to get a good leverage point. And see, flipping it like this just doesn't feel natural. I got to come up a little bit. And with that, then I do hit my finger. So I would probably end up slow rolling it. Button lock, it drops. Yeah, it definitely drops. Detent, you know, it's a little light. I mean, I know it's a button lock and a true detent, you know, okay, but it is a little light on this one. See, it does pop open. So, you know, I wasn't really high on the Hydra when I first reviewed it just because of the front flipper and everything, but okay, you know. And like I said, guys, these are not for everybody. You know, you don't get to choose what you want. You know, I'll turn around and put that in a giveaway, or, yeah, that one will probably end up being a giveaway knife. Probably won't try to sell that one, just because I'm not a fan of it. So I'd rather give it to somebody. Maybe somebody else will be a fan of it. So, yeah. So that is your advanced plan. The advanced plan is still $65 a month for shipping and handling, and it retail value $114.93. Now, I used to go back through and check out all these and check the retail values, and, you know, because just compared to the price listed here. And Monthly Knife Club has always done a very good job. I did it for like a year or more, and I just quit doing it because I found out, or I made the determination that for me, it's a very good value for what I pay for it. So I don't do that anymore. So we're going to go to the premium plan now. We have one item in the premium plan. The premium plan costs $115 a month, shipping and handling. And, oh, let's see here. All right. I got to figure something out here, because if you see on the card, it says we have got a Baton 4 fighter pilot flashlight, which is Very nice. I've had one of those before. That is not what's in the box. The box is the diffuser. I like the diffuser quite a bit. I've given several of these away, but it is not what is listed. Now, I do believe the Baton 4 was a lot more than $54.99, which they have listed here as the price. Yeah. Well, okay, I am thinking of the flashlight and canister combo, similar to this one. I have since given that one away because it was sent out to me during a sale. So this one, the Baton 4 itself, may very well be $55. Now, I know the diffuser coming in mid-30s, if I can think. So I will be emailing them and seeing. I know one time, I thought there was a mistake with the box, and there wasn't, and it actually said later on the card, but I am not seeing that. And I did not get an email from them telling me there was anything different about this month's box, so I will be contacting them. So stay tuned, and hopefully I will let you know or remind me next month, and we'll kind of get to that. Hopefully I can figure it out, and I'll leave a comment on this video. I'll pin a comment. So, a little bit of a something going on there. So now we're going to move to the ultimate plan. Okay, so now I'm seeing this. Yeah, we are just completely missing the Baton 4 fighter pilot. We are completely missing it because the first item in the premium plan, everything in the premium plan except the Baton 4. So I'm just gonna show you because this is a little bit different than we've seen before. It says you get everything in the premium plan. There, we're gonna do that. Everything in the premium except the Baton 4, but the first item listed is a diffuse. So yeah, so got it. So if you only got the premium plan, you got the Baton 4. If you got the ultimate plan, you didn't get the Baton 4, but you got the diffuse. Okay, I'm figuring it out. Taking me a minute. Sorry, guys. You get the diffuse, and you get this knife. So that's it. If you only got up to the premium plan, you got the fighter pilot light. If you got the ultimate, which is what we have, you did not get the Baton 4. You got the diffuse and this guy, which, okay. That was weird. The way this box is set up, the way it's really odd. It's a Romet knife, as you can see, and then it ripped, so, yeah, okay. All right, this is kind of an interesting, hey, live, you're doing it sight unseen, so, ooh, this is pretty, though. So it's a Romet knife, you get a cleaning cloth. It is the Romet WD-108 Bravo with Bowler M390 stainless and titanium, but look at that. Oh my goodness. So if you got the premium or the ultimate box, looks like you got a pretty high-end knife, and that's why they took out the fighter pilot and added the diffuse, because the retail on this knife is $189 to $249 depending on which one you got, I guess. But I am guessing this one is definitely probably on the higher end. I'll have to go look it up. Oh my goodness. Nice detent. Oh, it's a dropper too. Man, I tell you what, from what I initially saw from Romet to what we're seeing now as a company, they are putting out some really, really nice knives. Bowler M390 on the blade steel, titanium or Timascus, however you want to. Wow. That, I always like to look at that spot. Very nicely done. No sharp spots. It is definitely a dropper. Now, this is where I was saying, these are the front flippers I can kind of start getting behind. It's a solid detent. Definitely tuned more for the thumb studs than it is the front flipper, at least for me anyway. I mean, it flips pretty easily, I guess. That is very, very nice. And, oh my goodness, that is as comfortable as all get out. Holy cow, that feels good in hand. Titanium clip, of course. Even got the pop of color on the thumb studs. Nice little shake shut. Nice snap for sure, especially off those, especially off the thumb studs. This would be a thumb stud knife for me, for sure. Just because they're there, and I like using thumb studs more than I like using front flippers. So definitely a thumb stud knife for me. But that is actually really, really nice looking knife. So, I guess I could say some slight confusion for me, but got it figured out. I'm going to put this guy up here. So this is your ultimate plan. Total price, well, if this was your first box, or maybe your second, if you started in January, you probably paid $189. I did only pay $165 for this. I looked, I saw the charge. I'm like I said, I must be grandfathered in under the old plan since I already had my existing subscription. So I paid $165. This is your first box. You paid $189. They're saying a total overall value of $336.92. So overall, I mean, the Romet knife pays for the box. So for me, everything else is a bonus. Like I always say, these definitely aren't for everyone because you can't choose what you get. You know, you just get sent. Like, you know, this time, a little bit of confusion, a little reading, figured it out. But, you know, if you only went up to the premium plan, you didn't get any of these, but you got the Jet Fighter O-Light, which is nice. The Baton 4, that is a very, very nice flashlight. But we've got the Ultimate, so this is what we get. So let me know down in the comments what you think. Guys, sorry for the little bit of confusion there, but we got it all figured out. So overall, I would have to say I am pretty happy with this. And I need to decide what I'm going to do with that Romet because just first impressions, it's pretty darn nice. I'm going to take a look at it, see what I can find out a little bit more info about it. But probably going to see a review on that. The Trivisa we've already reviewed. And, of course, I've reviewed the Diffuse many times, seen that on the channel many times. Of course, we've got a Zippo lighter. It's a Zippo lighter. That's pretty standard. And the jerry can flask. So, really appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out February's Monthly Knife Club box. I know we're already into March. So, we will see what Monthly Knife Club does for us. It's going to continue. Absolutely 100%. Don't plan on changing anything at this point in time. We'll keep it going and we'll see what happens. So thanks a lot, guys. Greatly appreciate you. As always, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.